Hello everyone, my name is Jaggoshini. Welcome to my channel. Since some of you requested for my skincare routine, I decided to show you this DIY scrub which I use. This is a great scrub for dry skin during the winters if you want to add some instant glow to your skin. So before I get started with this video, I hope that you subscribe to my channel if you aren't subscribed already, and please make sure that you click the bell icon beside the subscribe button so that you get notified every time I upload a video. So I first took a bowl and added some powdered sugar into it. I used the pouch sugar that you can readily buy from the market. You can also ground some sugar and add in. The finer the sugar, the better. And next I'm going to add a few drops of coconut oil. The best part about this scrub is that all the three ingredients are always readily available in any Indian household. So I added the sugar because it's very fine, so it won't rip your skin off its already existing moisture when you scrub your skin with it. And coconut oil will add necessary moisture to your skin since it's the winters and you shouldn't let your skin unmoisturized. And then I added a few drops of lime juice which helps in brightening the skin. I'll mix it well, and that's it. Our scrub is ready. Now I'll show you how to apply it. As you can see, I have absolutely bare face without any makeup or any product on it, and it looks pretty dry. So I'm going to take the scrub which I just made and then scrub my skin with it. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to take the scrub in my hand and massage my skin with it in circular motion, and make sure that your motion is always upwards, and more importantly make sure that you are very gentle on your skin. Never ever scrub your skin too harshly with any scrub that you might choose to use. After scrubbing properly for about a couple of minutes, I'm going to take a soft cloth soaked in warm water and rub off the scrub from my face. You could also directly wash off your face with some warm water. For the sake of this video, I'm using this warm cloth. As you can pretty evidently see that the scrub has added some instant glow to my skin. Not only that, it has made my skin super soft and supple. So make sure that you use this scrub and tell me in the comment section down below how you liked it. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell button beside it so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. Thank you for watching. Bye.